1947 Ford Deluxe Convertible Street Rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 327 small block Chev power that's paired up with an automatic transmission. 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, power windows in the interior. Let's take a look at the chrome on this grille. Front bumper, headlight surrounds, good looking front end in this car. You can see black paint shows well. Nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this from every angle. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on BF Goodrich radials, chrome wheels. Good looking old school setup on this street rod. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, the black exterior with a very rich looking mahogany leather interior. Seat belts. Pretty stock looking dash with the exception of the aftermarket retro sound style radio, and that is working. This vehicle has approximately 6,000 miles on the build. Black fabric convertible top, and I will put that up so we can check out the condition of that. You can also take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, dual exhaust. It is a complete dual exhaust. It does not have cats, though, just so you're aware of that. And you can see nice reflection in that paint. Again, the black paint shows well on this car. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on that one. On this one, there is a button underneath the dash. There's actually two of them. And I'll get into those in a little bit. One is for releasing the trunk. The other one is for a power cowl vent. And when we get to the interior, I'm going to show you those. Battery has been relocated to the trunk. The brakes are 60% front, 80% in the rear. Did mention it is electric wipers. Passenger side worked, driver's in op. And minor power train seats, typical of a street rod that is driven. Nothing out of the ordinary. This is one of those cars, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. And if you like these street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Does have a heater that works. And let's take a little closer look at this interior. So again, kind of a mahogany color. There you can see power window switches, door panels. And you'll see this vehicle from every angle in the still pictures, interior and exterior, top up, top down. All right, so the two buttons I'm talking about are right under here. You can just see them, one there, one there. And let me turn this key on. I want to show you this power cowl. Kind of cool. So the button on the right is actually the power cowl. So you can see it come up, and we'll close it back up. So you can just run it to where you want, take your finger off the button, and then stop it where it's at. You can also hear the radio is working. And then the button to the left down under here on the dash, that would release the trunk. It's fired up. Again, 327 small block. Oil pressure gauge works. It was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up much. Here's all the gauges are working. Nice chrome on the dash. Horn works. Door closes nicely. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. Sounds good, looks good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and release the hood a second here. There is a pull the interior of the car. See if I can get this one-handed or not. Alright, and engine bay again, power steering, power brakes. We do have some valve cover dress up with the chrome, alternator, Edelbrock 4-barrel. I think previous owner had noted camelback heads, it looks like. Let's see that. Nice looking engine bay. Let's go ahead, I'm going to pause this a second, put that top up, and we'll wrap up this walk around video and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And the convertible top up. So it is a manual top. It's easiest with two people. It takes a little bit to get it up, but latch is nice in the front above the windshield, as you can see. Black fabric in nice shape. Also rolled up the power windows on the side. Now you can see this one is missing the rubber filler gasket from, it would actually fit on the rear window as it comes forward. So power front windows, manual rear windows. If you need it to keep you out of a shower or the sun, it's going to work just fine. There's no doubt about that. Coming around here to the passenger side, again rolled up the side glass so you can see how that fits. And back above the front windshield. Majority of the time, that top's going to be down on this street rod. 1947 Ford Deluxe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1947 Ford. This is a convertible, and it's also a chop top. Very nice running Ford. As you can see, it's an automatic, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. A long stick right here on the floor. Beautiful dash. The oil pressure showing 60 psi. The battery just about 14 volts. The fuel tank is showing full, and the temperature about 195 currently. Over here, large face clock, matching the speedometer. The design of these 40s and 50s cars are just staggering. Very comfortable bucket seats in this car. Rear bench. The road manners are pretty good. You can feel the road just enough as you'd like to in a street rod style vehicle. I can tell you right now, it's going to corner better than a factory one. The brakes are working very well. Feels like power brakes and power steering. Yeah, very good power steering. Only minimal lean in the corners, just enough to be a luxurious ride. There's the kickdown on the transmission, and acceleration is good. I have floor vents open currently for some fresh air. That switch for the air inlet right on the hood there is powered with a button under the dash. Very nice feature. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.